This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today, we're going to take a look here at the dollar and at gold and at silver. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the dollar, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, the reason I'm posting the dollar here, because it's always an inverse of what the commodities are doing. So if you see gold, oil, or silver, or whatever commodity is rising up, the dollar is going to come off, and then vice versa. All right, let's look at the charts. All right, so what we have here, this is here on your daily chart, is we just have some sideways action. But if you notice that it just doesn't seem want to go higher right now, okay? So we look at the price channels here. You got a price channel of 178 on the bottom and 102.80 there on the top. Now, if this 178 is lost, then what we want to do is we want to look down to the key level here, which is going to be 98 flat here. That's your 200 SMA. That would be the target. And then if that's lost, you're going to be right over here, which is almost lines up very nicely, which is at 97.98. Okay, and that's your, on the monthly chart, that's your 50 SMA. And then we go right here to 96.97. That's your 100 day. So those are your downside targets. Now, on the upside, what we want to look at is there's a lot of good key levels here. So let's look at the daily chart. So we want to look here at 101.54. We want to look here at 101.66. And then if you can break higher, we go to this 102.78. And then the 100-day here is sitting at 103.08. All right, so that is on your daily, and on your weekly chart here, we want to look here at this 8 SMA. That's 101.88 and then 102.93. There's your 21-day. And then we have 105.69. Now, that's your 50 SMA, which lines up pretty nice here with your 200-day at 105.99. Okay, so on the monthly chart here, you want to look at that 21-day. That's sitting at 101.97. And then if you can go up, you can look at this 8-day at 104.18. But right now, it just doesn't look like it has any juice. It's basically just a sideways. So the key level here, just watch this key, 178. If that's lost, look at the first target here at 98 flat. That'd be your 200 SMA. All right, here we have the gold. Now, gold, it looked like it put a nice topping tail here, topped out at 2085.40, okay? Then it had a nice big red candle. But if you notice on the red candle here, how it closed back above the 21-day and the 8 SMA. Very key. Now today, look what it's holding. See, you're holding this key 8 SMA sitting at 2023.50. So if that's lost, then you want to look right over here at 2017. Then you want to look to the bottom of this candle here. This is sitting at 2007. And then we look over here to this candle here. This is at 1986.90. And then you have your retest there sitting at 1980.90. And then 1966.10 is going to be your 50 SMA. Now, if we look here like on a weekly chart, look at this 8 SMA, how it's pushing right on up. So you want to keep looking at it, keep this in mind. That's 2007.80, okay? That's a very, very key a level there of support. All right, so now, if we look at the monthly chart, you see what it did. Okay, you put in a high, you put in a lower high, and now it's struggling to get through. Now, the question is, will it break through or won't it? So if it can go through this 2085, then the next level here is 2089.20, and then a close. The key is a close above that. Then the first target is going to be 2100, and you can work your way all the way up to 2200. Okay, but let's not get excited. Let's just see if it can either go up, or is it going to hold the support, or going to lose the support and go down lower here. So right now you just got some sideways action here. What you need for this here to go up is you need basically some kind of a fear. The banks right now are pretty steady here. So if they hold out steady, then this will be flat. If there is a banking issue here, then this will rip up higher. So just watch these key levels here. This 8-day, this 21-day of support, and then the retest level there at 1980.90. And then on the upside, watch this key 2085.40, and that breaks 2089.20. All right, here we have silver. Pretty much the same thing, okay? So you basically got a nice sideways action. It topped out here at 26.43, okay? But what it did is when it came down, look what it held. See? See, it held the 21, right down to the 21, and it closed above the 8 SMA. Okay, so now today we have what they call an inside day. Okay, so what you want to do is watch that 26.68 on the bottom, 25.45, and then if that's lost, you want to look here to this 24.53 on the bottom. Now on the upside, you want to, if it can close above this 26.43, then we have to go to all these next levels here. So then what we look at here is 27.49.50. That would be this candle right here. Then if it can close above that, then we go here. Okay, you're sitting at 28.90. And then your big, well, this is the retest. This here would be 29.91. And then your big retest here is 30.35. Now, close above this, well, then you could probably push your way all the way up to 35. But let's not get excited here because you got the same thing as we have on gold here. Gold and silver, this is like a fear factor. So if you have issues with the banks or this or that, then this here will rise. If not, if they can get that settled, then this will go sideways to down. So on the downside, again, just watch these key levels here. This 8 SMA at 25.68 and 25.45 to 21 SMA. And then watch this key, 26.43. If it can break out above, your big target here is 30.35. All right, thanks for watching.